2012 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. Let you guys hear it. We did a resonator and a muffler delete on it. Much better. That's how they're supposed to sound like. Monster on wheels. Hope you guys like it. You always want to take the resonators, the mufflers, everything out. They got exhaust flaps, you want to take them out. That's the resonator that we took out right there. We did a muffler delete earlier in the week, but it wasn't loud enough, so we made it louder. There's always a way to make it louder.